Srila Prabhupada is the embodiment of encouragement. He's the embodiment of gratitude and appreciation. And these are the qualities which make up the residents of the spiritual world. The residents of the spiritual world, the Vaikuntavasis or Brijvasis, they are full of encouragement for one another, gratitude and appreciation. So Prabhupada, coming from that domain, from that realm, coming to this realm, he is 1000% encouraging. We've heard of positive thinking and time management and controlling your mind and all these things. But Srila Prabhupada, his very existence, he's walking, speaking, acting encouragement. It says that the expertise of a devotee is that he looks within the heart of a jiva and he finds a spark. It's called the Swabhav. Jivera Surupaya Krsna Radharani. Jivera Surup. What is it? The Surup of every jiva is a spark of devotion. There's a spark of bhakti there.